Model, 1987 Talbot Express 2.5 long wheelbase, camper motorhome. Body, beige, motorhome. Mileage, 106,703. Engine, 2,498 cc diesel. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Requires light restoration. Condition summary, the bodywork on this Talbot is in average condition for its age and only requires minimal restoration work. It could be a beautiful home away from home. As far as the interior is concerned, it is a blank canvas ready for you to model and style however you feel. All in all, a great easy project and would make a great camper. Features, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.